In the final result, our four bowlers conceded 210 runs, and the last 10 overs.
That will win this final because for heroes in this. Yes.
And thirdly, lastly, before we conclude this video, obviously you also shared
But at least we could have performed much better rather than
Simon
facing those
Fowler
prospects.
had a
We
very
did not recognize the existence of Pakistan. You know this thing. It's a history. It's a written history. The senior players who look USA team who given us a very tough time and they won the match from Pakistan.
So there are lots of discussion happening. Sport and Tahir bhai, just today, how are you, Tahir bhai?
May good Akib, God is too kind. You right that fans are missing us from a long time. I am very humble.
Tahir bhai, how do you see Pakistan's defeat against New Zealand? And it's been a norm that we're constantly losing matches against New Zealand, whom we used to beat quite a lot in the past year. How do you see?
Akib, I think we should be immune enough now that our team is built in for defeating themselves, not other themselves. So Akib, I think it's a very sorry state of affair, and at least we should have silent clap on this defeat over time because Akib, this defeat is simply a eye opener for us. At least we should pull our socks up. If unless we can't have proper strategic management among us, we won't have short-term and long-term goals. These defeats should be at our part at every step.
And Tahir bhai, one thing which you saw today's match in which you were laughing that Pakistan went with four bowlers and part-time bowlers are bowling the death overs in which batsmen are trying to hit you out of the park. How do you see this strategy by Pakistan?
Akib, it's a very. I will again reiterate my statement. It's a very sorry state of affair. What were you expecting with your four bowlers? You are
They
expecting.
did their job, but you needed a fifth one.
But Akib, there was still room for a fifth man. Akib, at every point, whether you are playing with even Namibia, not Bangladesh, even Namibia or Kenya, you are supposed to have your five bowlers. But you are going with four bowler and you are playing with the New Zealand team.
One day, 50 over 5 bowler, 10 overs.
And you are playing in their homeland as well. And your team is also out of the flavor. Still, you are taking this risk. Why? And we have seen the issue that over four bowler performed reasonably well.
They took 6 wickets.
They took 6 wickets, but if we could have professional fifth bowler, whether it could be spinner as well, so our team could have been at a very commanding position.
I think I will share some stats of the final result. Our four bowlers conceded 210 runs, and the last 10 overs, the irregular bowlers conceded 130 in 10 over run. Because of irregular bowler.
Because of Akib, part-time, Akib, I will take you back to the history for some time. In 1992 World Cup final, under the captaincy of great Imran Khan, he was a very visionary player. When he saw that in the England squad there are 2 or 3 all-rounders, he immediately said that we will win this final because part-timers or all-rounders are not a specialist person. Final is a very big game. That's why he said this statement. And Pakistan was playing with the full batsman and full bowler. I think there was only one part-timer or maybe an all-rounder in our team. So that's why Akib, that vision was there, and that vision should also be implemented nowadays. That we should go with the proper batsmen and bowlers as well, because our team is on hibernation mode, on ventilation. That's why Akib, we should not do these mistakes in future. Otherwise, I am very afraid of that. Our team might have been sacked from the cricketing history.
And Tahir bhai, as we're talking about our batsman today, obviously Babar Azam again played a spectacular innings, and once again when he got out, wickets fell less like a pack of dominoes. How do you see this? And then public is abusing Babar Azam again.
Okay, I already mentioned that in my other video that whether any good thing happen, we are not appreciating Babar at that point of time. But any worse thing happen, whether in that situation Babar had performed exceptionally well. Even we can take the example of today's match. Everyone is still hurting or giving derogatory remarks against Babar. But look, as Babar departed, our rest of the team collapsed in very minimum run
Even
as
though
well.
people are supporting Agha Salman, but they
Are,
Babar.
yeah, but they are not supporting Babar as well. That's the issue, Akib. Babar has been in the good book despite the fact he's a lone warrior, despite the fact of performing very well single-handedly. But Akib, it's a very sorry state of affairs that we are discouraging our heroes in this case.
And Tahir bhai, lastly, before we conclude this video, obviously you also shared a picture of Sam Ayub that he came back to Pakistan after his rehab, and people are getting angry that someone has written no look king, and people are upset that we are calling him the title of king very early in his career, like we call Babar as well at times.
Akib, Look, in the first 20 innings, the temperament of Saim was different, and after those innings, Saim has totally bit changed. Not totally bit
Scored
changed.
match-winning 3-4 centuries roughly.
3-4 centuries. Now, in start of his career, we were also among the one who criticizing him.
People used to
Yeah, but those criticism was for good thing. Those criticism was not for criticizing or discouraging any of our star. But the benefit of that criticism, we are saying that Sam is performing well. He is playing some match-winning knocks. And if Sam could have been in our
The
champion
champion-
trophy squad,
things-
definitely, I'm not saying that we might have been able to win the champion trophy, but at least we could have performed much better rather than
Simon
facing
Fakhr
those
would have
drastic
been very
situations.
deadly.
Yeah,
Very deadly
okay.
both.
Simon Fakhr, and if the combo of Simon Fakhr could have been implemented on the opening pair, then definitely I give 90% chances were in our favor in Champions Trophy.
Lastly, before we close this video, what about the news of Umar Gul appointed as the bowling coach of New Zealand? Sorry, Bangladesh.
Akib, this news broke my heart, definitely. Reason, ask me why.
What? Even the Bangladesh is our neighbor.
The reason is, although they are neighbor, but they were the first neighbor who did not recognize the existence of Pakistan. You know this thing? It's a history. It's a written history. But still, we love them, yeah. They are our brother. In our hard
They
time,
still
we
give
given them
some
respect,
sort of
whether
respect,
it's
yeah.
sports or anything else. Over many great players like Inzi Bhai, Rashid Bhai also went there in Bangladesh, and Yunus Khan also went there, and Kumar Gul is going again second time. But the thing is, Akif, why we are not sporting over player? We are not getting benefit from the skills of our senior players. Even Mohammad Asif is in Australia, is in
America.
USA. Oh, sorry, America. Junaid Khan is also there. Fuad Alam is also trying to go over there. Umar Gul is in Afghanistan. But the question is why we are not taking.
Junaid Khan is
benefit-
working with women's team, but we are not utilizing him.
Yeah, if we could have worked more with the women team in Pakistan, definitely our women team could have been in the one of the top teams in our Pakistan. But Akif, PCB should pull their socks up. They should utilize the senior players who are. Look, USA team who given us a very tough time and they won the match from Pakistan. The reason was they were having Mohammad Asif and he has challenged again that
We will beat them again.
We'll beat them again. Same good thing is happening with Afghanistan as well. The moment Pakistani senior players went there for coaching, their team has got the boom. And we also lost the match in which so-called Irfan Pathan, I respect him, but sometimes I am very ashamed that which sort of activities he used to do. He performed a dance along with the Afghanistan team that they
think
they
that
have
they
won
beat
the World
us
Cup.
in last World
Yeah,
Cup.
they will beat us in the World Cup, but they shown that they have won the World Cup as Irfan Pathan does. So I think Akib, it's a very sorry state of affair. Pakistani team lost their talent and Afghanistani team cashed that talent.
And everything is over time, inshallah. Tomorrow again, we'll try to have another video. So, yeah, guys, that's it for the video. Like and subscribe to Sports Center. More content like this. Till then, it is goodbye from me and by side. Take it to yourself and love.
Allah Hafiz.